Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I'm so excited. My new Holo Taco order came in today. And as you can see, I have the new Holo Taco Unicorn collection. Super excited to do some nail art with that. And I also purchased the matte, it's called Matte Taco. I purchased the Matte Taco. So let's see what I can create with this. Let's get started. For my base coat, I'll be using the smoothing base coat. This is actually my favorite smoothing base coat. I really like this ridge filling base coat. It really does make everything look all nice and smooth. I'll be using Zoya's Adele for my base color. Adele is a sheer white polish, and it actually is my favorite white. Even though it's sheer, it just looks so clean and glowy. I will have to apply 3 coats for good coverage. For the Smush Mani, I'll be using Scientific, and I'll be using What Do You Pink? I'm going to use this little silicone palette. I'm going to attempt to create a Smush Mani. I can't even tell you how long it's been since I've done something like this. I just wanted to do something really, really unique. Right, so I just put it on this little, just smushed it onto this little stamper head, and just, oh, I forgot liquid latex. It's not going to be pretty. All right, well, don't forget that if you're doing a Smush Mani. Oh, and that came out pretty good. I think I'm going to click a little blue right there. A little bit right over here. There, I think that looks pretty good. Maybe a little pink and white over here to break that up a little bit. Yeah, right, I think that looks pretty good. I don't have the Holo Taco protective peel yet. I think I'll probably get some, but I mainly use a liquid latex. That's a body latex that I put in a, what did I do? I just put it in a polish bottle. That's normally what I use. What I remember. Oh, this is not a good thing to do, but I didn't want I didn't want it to dry up. Because I like how it turned out. Silly me. And then just to get closer to my nail, I'll just use this corrector pen, dipped in some nail polish remover. For the topper, I'll be adding Lunar Unicorn Skin. And now I'm just going to put the Lunar Unicorn Skin over all of my nails. I think this is my favorite one over white and light colors. It kind of looks magical. For my top coat, I'll be using Glossy Taco. Now I'm going to add a Glossy Taco. I just had to break open a new bottle because my other one is a gooey Glossy Taco. Yeah, this one looks really good. Oh, here it is with glossy. I love all the pastel-y colors in lunar over white and over light colors. I think it's kind of awesome. Now I would like to see what this looks like with matte top coat. Kind of reminds me of an opal. Which way do you like it better, shiny or matte? Comment below. Since the last nail art was super quick, I decided to give you another quick nail art idea. So let's get started. First, I'm applying base coat. Now I am applying Scientific. I'll be using 2 coats of this for my base color. Now I'm going to make some black stripes. I'm now going to take Sonic unicorn skin and put it over the black. Now I'm just going to put a glossy top coat on. Here's the finished manicure. I really like how this one came out. Let's take a look at it with a matte top coat. I think this looks pretty good matte too. What do you think? Which is your favorite, shiny or matte? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. I have everything Holo Taco makes except for a few of the creams, and I think I should start making videos with them. I love their polishes actually. So, stay tuned for more Holo Taco on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.